Next step is to connecting the gas line to the furnace. So this is a gas line here. This is a gas line, half-inch black pipe, cast iron pipe, half-inch cast iron pipe for gas line. Don't use galvanized pipe. Galvanized pipe are not supposed to used for natural gas. Natural gas, you got to use cast iron pipe. We call it black pipe here, and then it goes into the furnace here, connecting that, and this is some kind of a collection of water in case there's a little bit of water in the gas. It's gonna drop here. So there's a gas line here. There's a valve here.